Dear students, this is Afsana Awal. Today I will take your English class. And students, today's topic is handwriting book, page number 24 to 26. That means 24, 25 and 26. So let's start our class. Look at the book. So this is your handwriting book and this is page number 24. This is for Q. Just look some words with Q given here. The first one was given for you with dot and just you have to fill up the dots. So this is the picture of a queen. Q-U-E-E-N, queen. Q-U-E-E-N, queen. Q-U-E-E-N, queen. Here also just look in the first two lines, the first letter should be capital, and here as this is given already, the small letter, some dots are just given here, so you have to fill up the dots. And in the third line for the same word, all the letters are small letters, and the first two lines, the first two letters are capital. In the first line, the first letter is capital. In the second line, the first letter is also capital. And this is Q-U-E-E-N, queen. And this is Q-U-E-E-N, queen. Now Q for quail. Q-U-A-I-L, quail. Q-U-A-I-L, quail. Q-U-A-I-L, quail. Just look here, the first two lines, the first letters are capital, and here all the letters are small letters. Now the next one, quilt. Q-U-I-L-T, quilt. Q-U-I-L-T, quilt. Q-U-I-L-T, quilt. This is also quilt. Q-U-I-L-T, quilt. Q-U-I-L-T, quilt. Now page number is 25. R. All the words are started with R. R for rat. R-A-T, rat. R-A-T, rat. R-A-T, rat. The same thing is also here in the first two lines. The first letters are capital, and here the last letter is small letter. Sorry. Third line, all the letters are small letters here. Rose. R-O-S-E, rose. R-O-S-E, rose. R-O-S-E, rose. Now ram. R-A-M, ram. R-A-M, ram. R-A-M, ram. Now page number 26. And the last page for today. S. S for ship. S-H-I-P, ship. S-H-I-P, ship. S-H-I-P, ship. S-U-N, sun. S-U-N, sun. S-U-N, sun. Then soap. S-O-A-P, soap. S-O-A-P, soap. S-O-A-P, soap. Students, now time for your HW number 13 is name of 5 parts of body. Okay, you have to write 5 parts of body's name. Okay students, that's all for today. Stay safe. Allah Hafiz.